Baby,
Yes, dear.
do you know something?
No. Accept it,
Today you did very well.
Is that so?
It's just not today, but always. You have
Yes.
a way of making it feel like you know.
Yes. It's all happened because of how sweet and superb you are.
Really.
Among all ladies I have met before, I can say you are one in 3 million.
Wow.
Yes. Do you know something?
Mm.
I did all this because of you. Because you were sweet than an apple. Yes.
Really.
Yeah.
You always make me feel like you know.
Yes, because you're sweet. You're sweet.
I even regret marrying that man.
That's what the man. Forget about him. Oh. I'm even finding a way to eliminate him from our life so that you can spend our time together.
Then it's going to be awesome.
Yes.
I can't wait for that to
Yes.
happen.
But I'm worried about something.
What is it?
You know how his temper is. I'm getting the feeling that one day he'll meet us embedded. That will spoil everything.
Baby, you don't have to be thinking about all these. There is not going to be a day he will catch us. No.
Is that so?
He cannot just badge on us. He has to call before coming.
Ah, okay.
So don't worry about that.
Oh. You're going to have time together because I know he's not back yet.
I'm sure.
Yeah, okay.
comes to you, I want to have it over and over
No,
again.
I'm there for you, see that.
I'm sure.
What?
Baby, I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
What am I seeing here?
I'm sorry.
Hey! You! Bed sharer! Get over here!
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I said, get over here!
Officer, please. Please.
Oh! Really?
Sorry.
Whilst we are on the countryside,
Officer.
fighting to keep peace in our homes, in others' homes, you are here trying to break my home, right?
Please, please.
You are here
Please.
burdening my wife, right?
Please, officer. It will never happen again, please.
Today
Oh,
is
officer.
your judgment day.
Please, please.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, please.
Honey.
Sweetheart, please. Forgive me.
Honey, this is no time for love.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Trust me, it's time for war. You know, we soldiers, we don't go to war simply because we want to die for our country. We go to war simply because of imbeciles like these people,
So sorry.
rapist people, those who break homes, who don't love to keep peace like these people. That's the reason why we go to war. We got people like you, our loved ones. We've left you people at home. How could we pretend that we are going to war just to die for our country? But people like these people, they deserve to die.
Please, please don't do this, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. In fact, we are sorry. I'm sorry.
Honey.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
And you, by the time I close my eye and open it, I wouldn't love my eye to see you right there where you sit. Come on, get over here.
Sorry. Please. Please.
Bed sharer. Honey,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
how could you? You know I love you. How could you do this to me? You are my life. You are my wife. Why? Why?
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Baby. Please.
No, you need to talk to me. I've been talking to you for a while, but you are not even giving me any attention. Bro, hey, talk. I'm listening.
Down.
Down. What are you talking about?
Will you believe I've been on the battlefields? I've seen dead bodies.
Yeah, but I know.
I've seen worse things.
I know.
But I've seen something nude
And what?
on my matrimonial bed to the extent that I can't cope.
And what is that?
Will you believe that I caught my wife with another imbecile, another guy on our matrimonial bed?
No, bro. No, don't. No, I won't believe that. Are you sure of what you are saying?
A soldier like me.
Really?
Catching somebody burdened with my wife
Damn.
on my own matrimonial bed.
Damn.
Will you think I'll be cool? Will you think I'll be fine?
Guess of today.
Hey, I'm down, you know?
No,
I'm
bro,
down.
listen, you need to chill up. But I know what is going on. But you need to calm down. Yeah, you need to calm down.
Really?
Yeah. After all, you were a man. So are you saying that what is going on, you are going to kill yourself? No, hell no. So you need to calm down. But let me think. Hey,
A soldier like me.
No, no, I know you a
A
soldier.
soldier. Not just an ordinary man, but a soldier like me.
That is why I'm saying that. Let me think.
Hey, princess, my wife, you've hurt me. Why? Why would you do such a thing to me?
I know it pains, but you need to calm down.
I
I know you are down, bro. You need to chill up. You need to chill up.
had even wanted to kill that guy in a second.
Bro, chill up.
Ha!
Bro, lend me your ears.
Like how?
Just lend me your ears.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I want to apologize for what happened yesterday. I'm truly sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for what happened yesterday. I just don't know what came over me. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Your silence is even killing me now. At least say something. Sorry. Please. Please forgive me. Sweetheart. Baby. Please. Say something. You're just killing me so. Please, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. You can't just walk away. This is so hard for me. Just don't know what to do again. I'm going to never say that. This man is not ready to listen to me.